Hola, I'm Marcus from Marcus Language Academy, and today again we will learn 15 useful sentences in Spanish, and our topic of today are hobbies. Yes, and we will do so in 3 easy steps. In our first step I will show you the 15 sentences of today with the translation. In the second step you will be my shadow and you try to say the sentences like me, okay? Quite interesting technique. And in our third step we will use Quizlet to practice everything actively using flashcard. In the end you will master 15 new sentences in Spanish. So let's start now with our first step and I will show you the 15 sentences of today. So let's go. Me gusta jugar al fútbol. I like to play soccer. Me gusta jugar al fútbol. Ella baila todos los sábados. She dances every Saturday. Ella baila todos los sábados. Él nada muy bien. He swims very well. Él nada muy bien. A menudo vamos en bicicleta. We often go cycling. A menudo vamos en bicicleta. Me gusta leer libros. I like reading books. Me gusta leer libros. Here it's quite interesting because the sentence me gusta leer libros, I have it also in my course for beginners to learn Spanish from scratch. And you see here I connect the sentence me gusta leer libros with an image. And here you see Leo actually, okay? And you learn Spanish with the story of Leo. So you follow the story and you learn automatically Spanish. And the good thing is I also use colors. No? You see me gusta, no? It's a verb what ends in AR. So I use the blue color, no? To remember yourself that we have an AR verb. The green color I would use for endings of ER and IR. Okay? So quite useful technique, and also I have different symbols to help you to understand better the grammar. And remember, this course to learn Spanish with me and the story of Leo is free, and you can find it over here in the corner or in the description of the video. So please feel free to check it out. Okay, but now let's go back to our 15 sentences of today. Ella pinta en su tiempo libre. She paints in her free time. Ella pinta en su tiempo libre. A él le gusta escuchar música. He likes listening to music. A él le gusta escuchar música. Cocino los fines de semana. I cook at the weekend. Cocino los fines de semana. Ella saca fotos de la naturaleza. She takes photos of nature. Ella saca fotos de la naturaleza. Hacemos senderismo por la montaña. We go hiking in the mountains. Hacemos senderismo por la montaña. Él juega a videojuegos. He plays video games. Él juega a videojuegos. Toco la guitarra. I play the guitar. Toco la guitarra. Ella escribe historias. She writes stories. Ella escribe historias. Nos gusta hacer yoga. We like to do yoga. Nos gusta hacer yoga. A él le gusta ver películas. He likes to watch movies. A él le gusta ver películas. Yes, and these are the 15 sentences, and now we will do our second step. We will practice using my shadowing technique. Therefore, I will read every sentence 3 times. The first time you just listen to me. The second time you try to speak along with me together. So you are my shadow, okay? And the third time I will still move my lips to say the sentence, but you cannot hear me. But you try to copy my lips and say the sentence out aloud, okay? So, and this we will do with all 15 sentences. So, let's go. Me gusta jugar al fútbol. Me gusta jugar al fútbol. Ella baila todos los sábados. Ella baila todos los sábados. Él nada muy bien. Él nada muy bien. A menudo vamos en bicicleta. A menudo vamos en bicicleta. Me gusta leer libros. Me gusta leer libros. Ella pinta en su tiempo libre. Ella pinta en su tiempo libre. A él le gusta escuchar música. A él le gusta escuchar música. Cocino los fines de semana. Cocino los fines de semana. Ella saca fotos de la naturaleza. Ella saca fotos de la naturaleza. Hacemos senderismo por la montaña. Hacemos senderismo por la montaña. Él juega a videojuegos. Él juega a videojuegos. Toco la guitarra. Toco la guitarra. Ella escribe historias. Ella escribe historias. Nos gusta hacer yoga. Nos gusta hacer yoga. A él le gusta ver películas. A él le gusta ver películas. Yes, and this is my shadowing technique. If you need to, you can repeat every step of this video, okay? So to make sure that you really master all the sentences. But now let's see our third step, and here we will go to Quizlet to study everything with flashcards, okay? So let's go to Quizlet now. And here we are on Quizlet. You see Hobbies in Spanish, no? Spanish with Marcus. And you can study, for example, this learning set with blocks, with a test, with the learning mode, or we can use the flashcard mode. So let's do this now. And in options, please make sure that you activate to track the progress, that the front side of the flashcard is English, so we can answer in Spanish, and you can activate the audio. No? In our case, I deactivate the audio because I will read everything out loud. So now we have the sentence here in English. I will read the sentence in English. I give you 3 seconds, okay? If you need, you can also pause the video to have more thinking time, because I want that you try to say the sentence in Spanish. And then we will check if we are right or not. Okay, so let's do this now. I like to play soccer. Me gusta jugar al fútbol. And because we track the progress, we can decide if we know it or we have to still learn it, okay? In the video, I will mark everything as we know it, okay? But you can repeat the step here in the video. She dances every Saturday. Ella baila todos los sábados. He swims very well. Él nada muy bien. We often go cycling. A menudo vamos en bicicleta. I like reading books. Me gusta leer libros. She paints in her free time. Ella pinta en su tiempo libre. He likes listening to music. A él le gusta escuchar música. I cook at the weekend. Cocino los fines de semana. She takes photos of nature. Ella saca fotos de la naturaleza. We go hiking in the mountains. Hacemos senderismo por las montañas o por la montaña. He plays video games. Él juega a videojuegos. I play the guitar. Toco la guitarra. She writes stories. Ella escribe historias. We like to do yoga. Nos gusta hacer yoga. He likes to watch movies. A él le gusta ver películas. Yeah, and here we go. Now we have everything in our no box. Obviously, if you have still problem with some terms, you can put it in the still learning box and you can focus on them and study and practice them even more. Okay? Yeah, these are the 15 sentences about hobbies of today. Please let me know in the comments which is your favorite hobby, and please try to write it in Spanish. And also remember that you can find this learning set on Quizlet over here and in the link in the description. Okay? And also you can find my free course to learn Spanish from scratch on YouTube over here and also in the description. And yeah, please like the video so it helps me that other people also can find my video easily. And subscribe to my channel that you don't miss the next video where I explain you a little bit more about how to learn Spanish. Yeah, that's everything of today, and I just say muchas gracias y hasta pronto.